Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the large movable alphabets from the language section. In this video, I will be introducing how to do the activity and introduce how to make the movable alphabets on your own for homeschooling. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child how to put words into their component sounds. The steps for the activity are: introduce the child to the large movable alphabet box and have the child carry it to the work area, then place it on the top left center. Then take a closer look at the material with the child. Point to a letter inside the box and have the child pronounce its sound and repeat that step with the other letters next. Say the sound of the letter and get the child to point to the matching letter inside the box. This may need to be repeated several times for the child to understand. Then repeat the same steps for the other letters. Next, have the child place a letter in front of them on the work area, and if they place it in the wrong way, show the correct orientation. Then have the child pronounce the letter sound. Next, tell the child that you will be representing a sound that they have learned before, such as the SH sound using the movable alphabets. Demonstrate that the two letters need to be removed from the box to create this sound and place it beside each other. Point to the two letters SH and say its sound. If necessary, the double sandpaper letter for SH can be put in front of the child as a visual and auditory cue. Repeat the same step with the remaining single letters and double letters key phonograms, as long as the child would like to work on it. When the time comes, introduce the dots for the letter I and J. Have the child help with placing all the letters back into its proper compartment in the box. Next, have the child write their own name using the movable alphabets. When finished, have the child place the materials back on the shelf. This activity can be easily made by creating a cardboard compartment box for all 26 lowercase letters and cutting out lowercase letters from red cardstock paper. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.